We're here at the Engineering Technology Group, and Steve has just literally picked up 2 microphones, given me one, sanitised of course, and said, Lindsay, I'm going to take you on a tour.
Yeah, so I wanted to give you guys some good news stories. The last few months has been awkward and bad press for us all, really. So I invited you here today. So apologies for the mess. We're having a new floor put down. We've also sold. Well, you can notice the Bavius has gone behind us. We'll carry on through the horizontal. We had to break out earlier. We've sold that this morning.
Where's that going to?
That'll be going to the East Midlands by the end of the week. Again, the first Vulcan will be it's just going through PDI. That'll be going out again by the end of the week. And our Quasar here is off to the north again. Sold last week. So again, there's a lot of disruption going through the workshop.
That's fine. That's a good thing.
So
it's a good thing, if anything.
I do apologise.
What have you got on offer then? What who's watching can they get their hands on? Because it looks like you sold most of your machines.
Yeah. So we're having a huge promotion on the Nakamuras. We've seen a huge interest in over the recent months, and basically we're looking to ramp up over the coming weeks what we have available in stock. So we're looking at here the single spindle, single turret, so the AS200, 200 denoting an 8-inch chuck, 65 through the bore. And basically we've got some exclusive offers going through at the minute. This machine for less than 80k.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So again, on top of that, we can build in tooling packages, swarf management system, bar feeds, and everything else.
You're known for having turnkey projects, and that's kind of what comes with the machines, and I like talking about that when we're on camera.
Yes, yeah.
So
it's not just a machine tool that you're purchasing at the end of the day. You get lifetime support, but also we'll look at the component itself and the training element, whether it be a very standard machine or a very high-end machine like we've got over there. Again, this has recently been cleared out. We've got a fully automated system that's on the water now, on its way in. So we've got 8 partners for that one particular cell that we've got to get through the door.
Thing is, when you're saying 8 partners, that's 8 specialists, 8 different companies that know exactly what they're doing.
Yes.
All working together.
We've got tooling people, CMM people, work holding, software, machine monitoring. It's the full
package.
Suite.
They're all sorting it all out. Okay, what's next then?
So next machine's NTY3.
Right.
NTY3 denoting the triple turret. Well done. So again, twin spindle, triple turret, synonymous with Nakamura. Really is a raw part in and a finished part out.
Well, I've been to a few companies that have talked about these, and there's people making parts on mini machines and everything, and they come and have a look at a machine like this, and it goes on here one hit.
Yes, yeah. We did a recent review on this small AS200 over there with Mark, and again, there's a number of machines that we're putting out just for its capacity against footprint. And similarly to this machine, with a triple turret, customers are looking for this machine to increase their production and getting a throughput through the factory.
Yeah. Okay, anything else?
So in the corner, our farm machine, the WT150. This is our biggest seller.
Why is that? Sorry.
Twin turret machine. So naturally, I think the market for a customer is a natural progression from a twin spindle single turret is through to this machine.
Why do people keep going for it then? You say it's your best seller.
Because of the quality of the brand itself with Nakamura. Whenever we have an opportunity, our win rate and success rate on projects with Nakamura is second to none. It's our market leading product within our portfolio. And when we enter into a project and what we put forward, not just commercially but on a technical base as well, we just win basically all the arguments.
Right, okay, because we're down at the bottom here, any prices?
So if we start off back to the AS, less than 80k, WT, twin turret, less than 200k, right. And then we finished on the triple turret, so less than 250k.
Brilliant. Anything else?
No, that's it for now.
That's it for now, brilliant. If you're looking at any of these machines and more that the Engineering Technology Group supply, then make sure you head to the website or speak to Steve Brown.
Thank you.